friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a topic that is very relevant to us, to everyone in our daily life, that is why it's difficult to change our old habits. Yes, of course, it's a very difficult task to change our old habits, and why it happens. Many of my friends had emailed me to know about, but I was pretty busy with creating some video on other content. So today I thought to talk about this matter. Well, it's very prominent thing that we all are used to the things that we do every day in our life, every day. Be it you get up in the morning, you go for gym, then you come and take breakfast, then you go for your activities or your job, whatever you are doing. So this becomes a routine, a daily routine, but this becomes a habit. Even if you can find that, even if someday when you do these things regularly, so one day if you find that you are like disturbed with something, or you are thinking something, but these things unconsciously you will do, because it's a habit. When you can find that if you have a path to walk every day, wherever you take your walk every day, so that path, your mind and your eyes, your mind, your brain is used to go to that path. Even if you are thinking something else, your brain will work in that direction because it's used to with it, so it won't do the mistake to get you to another path. So this is a very common thing. You can find this in various common other examples also. So next comes is why it's difficult to leave your old habits, to give up your old habits. So it's difficult because with the habits we grow day by day, and it's just registered in our mind. So of course it's very difficult to delete on from our mind and to get on used to with some new habits. To leave some old habits is a very toughest job. And of course, to leave your habits, you need to have your understanding process, that why do you need to continue with some new habits, why do you have to start with new habits, and why do you have to give up your old habits. So there has to be some reasoning, there has to be some logic, otherwise your mind won't understand your points, and thus it won't register whatever you are trying to do. So every day you will keep on continuing old habits, and thus people don't get to change. Some people say that we are unable to change ourselves even if we want it, but you want it initially. It's not that you want it from your heart, because you have to find out tricks. You have to find out ways that how to train your brain and how to train yourself to continue that, and there has to be some pleasure within that. Otherwise it's a difficult thing that you shift onto a new thing. So of course there has to be some exciting logic or some interesting thing why you are changing this new habit. Maybe in future you are going to get something good out of it. If you start to gym, or if you start to exercise, then it's a better point, it's a best thing that in future you are going to be very slim and trim, like you see the actresses, like you see the models out there. So of course that would be a very exciting thing, and it would be a dream, like a dream, and create image in your mind that, oh god, that this is the slim trim person you are, and you're looking so beautiful, so glamorous. So this way you can think of it, and when you start to think about it, your mind slowly shifts to that, and it wants. When you get up in the morning, your mind will give you an alarm that you have to go to exercise because you want this. And when you desire something, you feel that you want to, you feel that you are worthy to it, so of course you will move to that direction. You will start to do those activities. So that time old habits won't be very difficult. Old habits are something that you get attached to, and you can't leave it because you are pretty much attached, you are very much used to with that, and you are much comfortable with those habits. So you have found your comfort zone in that habits, and your body is used to with those habits, and mentally you are also used to with those habits. Otherwise those habits are pretty like the habits which you have newly started. There were some day which was your first day to those old habits, but what happened is over the years and over the months you have grown very much used to with those habits, and they have been your friend companion right now. So of course it would be a very difficult thing to change your old habits. Another thing is that once you change your belief, that if you change your belief that if you eat some healthy stuffs, or if you take regularly walk, if you join gym, and if you do exercises, if you do aerobics, of course you are going to get a healthier lifestyle, you are going to get a healthy body. So once you make this kind of beliefs in your mind that this happens for this reason, this happens for this reason, so of course your thinking process changes, your beliefs shifts, and thus it becomes very easy to change your new habits. So whatever, people change their habits, people shift into new habits, but when it's easy, when you are seeing the logic behind it and seeing the excitement, try to find the excitement, that the good thing that's going to come as output of it. So guys, I feel it was helpful to you, and of course it would be benefit to you if you follow these points, if you follow this talk. So of course I'm here to help you with this kind of topics. So we'll meet you in a next video. Thank you, friends.